While Zimbabweans eagerly await Geza's signal, a photo of Comrade Blessed Geza casually enjoying a drink at a local pub is making rounds. The big question, is it an old pic or a recent one? Of course, everyone deserves to unwind, and Geza is no exception. Let's be honest, the whole nation is counting on him. If he truly wanted to relax or have a drink, wouldn't he have done so privately, away from prying eyes? Could this be a strategic move, or is this the Geza signal fading? Geza has been at the center of Zimbabwe's political tensions, leading the charge against Mnangagwa's leadership, corruption, nepotism, and Chivayo's looting scandals. Many believed he was in hiding in South Africa after calling for the president's resignation. But now seeing him drinking in public raises questions about his whereabouts and next moves. Some Zimbabweans feel betrayed, questioning whether Geza is really committed to the fight or if he has been silenced behind closed doors. Others argue that this photo is a distraction, possibly even leaked to cause division among his supporters. The timing of this picture couldn't be more suspicious. Rumors continue to swell. Was Geza captured, compromised, or simply taking a break? And if he is still in Zimbabwe, does that mean the authorities aren't actually after him? The contradictions are fueling even more speculation. So Zimbabweans, what's your take? Is Geza still the man of the people, or has something changed? Drop your thoughts in the comment section.